Well, I'm rebuilding the shifter assembly for the NP203 transfer case. Got my cleaning spot. A lot of that crud came out of it. Cleaning up the nuts and bolts. Got the main body assemblies here. If you look, they're actually shiny clean. If you saw what came out of it, you'd be amazed. Get this all cleaned up and put back together. And they're not real complicated, but just in case, I got my spare shifter assembly here, just to make sure I put it together the right way. I'm not really worried about it though. They're pretty simple. Here's the rest of the pieces to it. I got them piled up in the correct order, so when I put it back together, it'll be easy to put back together. No big deal. Apparently, 7 days in transmission fluid was not enough. I had to use a screwdriver to scrape all that crud off and everything, but now I got her all cleaned up. It was about a 3-beer project. Got everything fixed up. My tools out. Fortunately, I didn't make it in time to get the welder for the tandem frame, so that still needs repaired. Maybe I can get that one next week. I don't know. Figure we go start the truck up. It's been 6 days since it started. We're going fishing in the morning. Get some catfishes. Here's my car. Piece of junk. Alright. It's warm in here. You can see here, that's where the shifter goes. The wire harness plugs into it, tells you when it's in 4-wheel drive or not. Well, it tells you when the center differential is locked. It's got a light that lights up here on the dashboard. Alright, turn the ignition on. Old carburetors, I don't know if you knew this. Old carburetors, you can't pull the choke unless you had the gas pedal down. Hold the gas pedal down, pull it out all the way. Since it's warm out, but it hasn't been started, I'm going to go and give her about half choke. Alright. Pump her a few times. Got her half choked. Almost. Nope. Now put the choke in. Got some gas in there. Almost. She's about ready. Give her a second. She might fade off a little bit. Beautiful day outside. Trees are just starting to change. Yeah, we'll let her sit here and idle for a little bit. All right.